Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wig install for Isee hair. I love that they sent over all the goodies, lashes, gotta have that, and then they sent over some extra hair accessories like the removable adjustable strap and some clips. This is an up close view of the hairline. This is their Yaki Straight hair, and this is the M cap design. The M cap design is really cool because it's customized so that it can fit your head perfectly. This wig has HD lace. It's the 9x6 lace area. As you can see, it has like the clips on the side, and then it has this band that's already on there. And I like that this band, you can adjust it from both sides, and then it has the removable clip on the back as well. The lace area is 6 inches deep, and then it has a 3D cap design which helps your lace lay flat and snug to your hairline. And then it also has the ear shape on the side, which helps so that it can be comfortable when you wear it as well. In the front, it has like a curve to it, so it mimics your forehead contour, so it's very comfortable when you wear it. So I'm just putting on my black wig cap, and then we are going to start putting on this wig. I'm using my lace tinting spray so that the lace can match my skin tone. As you already see, the lace is already pre-cut and pre-plucked and everything, so all I have to do is tint the lace, and then we're gonna try it on. Whenever I put the wig on, I was impressed at just how easy it is to put on, and I mean, it's pretty much done. All I really had to do was brush my hair out, and as you can see, it already looks really nice on my hairline. And I'm just showing you guys again that it has like that C shape around the ear, so that makes it really comfortable to wear. You could put glasses on with it and everything, so I really like that. Now I'm adding a little bit of my wax stick to the part area, and I'm going to use my hot comb to lay it nice and flat. And then I'm also adding a little bit of my foundation color to the lace, like around the edges too, so that it can be even more of a seamless match to my skin tone. Okay, now I'm going to cut a couple layers in the front, so I'm just pulling out my hair in the front, and then I'm just going to layer that front part so that it can frame my face nicely. Now I'm just going over the hair with my flat iron. I don't have to do like a detailed flat iron or anything because the hair is already straight. So I'm just styling it a little bit and just going over the hair with the flat iron. Now I'm going to add a little bit of spray to like the top of it, so it can like I could tame the hair at the top a little bit and it can be nice and smooth. So this is what the hair looks like when I'm done styling it. As you can see, it has a beautiful shine to it. It has a lot of body, a lot of movement. Like I said, this is their Yaki Straight hair, and y'all know that Yaki Straight is literally my favorite texture. This is the M cap again. It's the 9x6 HD lace, and then the wig is 24 inches. I'm just showing you guys up close of what the lace looks like. I love how you can just easily put this wig on and it's not giving a wiggy look. It really does shape to your head, and I think that helps so it doesn't look really wiggy. Like, look how I part this hair. You can part it anywhere, so it has plenty of parting space and it looks good either way you do it. So I'm just going to show you guys how to move it from a middle part to a side part. All I'm doing is just parting hair, obviously, and then I'm just going to go over it with my hot comb and adjust the wig. As you can see, this wig is completely glueless. If you want to, of course, you can add spray to it, but you definitely don't need to. You just have to take advantage of the elastic band. Just make it tighter if you want it to be more secure, and then you can just use the combs. So all I did was just like moved it over to the side and use my hot comb, and there you have it. A really cute, that, like, don't it look different? It's the same look, but it's different, so you can definitely switch it up. The side part is definitely eaten. So now I'm going to show you guys how you can do a half up, half down. And even if you do a half up, half down, you still don't need the glue. Like, look at this hairline. The hairline is really nice, but if you want to, you know, make sure it's secure, you can definitely do that. But as you can see, you don't need to, and that's the great thing about this wig. It's very, very versatile. Why did I say it like that? But yeah, you can definitely do a lot of different looks with it. So I'm just putting my hair like back in the side part, and I'm showing you guys, of course, you can do a ponytail or whatever. You can do a lot of different stuff. So if you like this wig, definitely check out Isee Hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.